News channels are absolutely crushing it on YouTube right now. Take a look at this news channel on YouTube, getting millions of views on each of their videos and making over $1 million in monthly revenue. All by posting current news. People are always curious. Whether it's about what's happening in their own country or major events around the world, there's always an audience hungry for the latest news updates. And in this age of social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are the go-to sources for instant information. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I used AI tools to copy the exact strategy of a $1 million per month YouTube news channel to help you create your own viral news video, so stick around to the end. Let's jump right in. Firstly, we need to get latest news. You can get latest news from various sources, but for this video, we'll be using Google News, a quick and efficient way to find trending stories from around the world. Open your browser and search for Google News. Click on the first result and you'll be taken to the Google News homepage. You'll see an interface filled with breaking stories across various categories like technology, entertainment, health, business, and more. For this video, let's focus on the sports section. Click on Sports, and you'll instantly see a range of news articles covering everything from game highlights to athlete updates. Take your time to scroll through the list and identify the most relevant and trending topics. This could be a recent match, a record-breaking performance, or a major announcement in the sports world. Choose a story that not only catches your eye but also resonates with your target audience. Now you might be tempted to copy the article word for word, but don't. Copying content directly can lead to copyright issues, which is something we want to avoid at all costs. Instead, we're going to take that article and transform it into something new and unique using the power of AI. Head over to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. I will provide you with a blog post and you will rewrite it as a new episode for my news channel. Then hit enter and ChatGPT will ask for the blog post or article you want it to rewrite. Now go back to Google News, copy the article you selected and paste it into ChatGPT. Then hit enter and ChatGPT will work its magic, rewriting the content into a fresh and unique version that you can use for your news channel. This approach ensures that you're delivering valuable, relevant information to your audience while keeping your content original and engaging. Plus, it saves you tons of time. Now that we have our news story, the next step is to create a professional news presenter. And for that, we'll be using an innovative AI tool called Vidnoz. To create our news presenter, open your browser and search for vidnoz.com. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, click on the Create Free Video to access the main interface where all the magic happens. Vidnoz is a game changer for content creators, allowing you to create lifelike talking avatars, clone voices, and add professional touches to your videos with ease. Click on the Breaking News category. Here you'll find varieties of pre-designed avatars designed to look like real news anchors. You'll see options for both male and female presenters, each with their own unique style and personality. Take your time to browse through the options. Do you want a formal, professional look or something a bit more casual and relatable? Once you've made your choice, click on the avatar to proceed, then click on Create Video, and then you will present it with the Creation section. Now it's time to customize your video by adding the news story you generated from ChatGPT. Click on the text box in the Editing section, which is where your script will go. Open ChatGPT, where we previously generated a rewritten version of our chosen news article. Copy the text, then paste it directly into Vidnoz's text box. Vidnoz will use this script as the dialogue for your news presenter. Next, click on Voice, and you'll see a wide range of free voices available. If you want to add a personal touch, Vidnoz even allows you to clone your own voice. But for this tutorial, we'll stick with one of the free voices. Listen to a few samples to find a voice that matches your chosen avatar and fits the tone of your news segment. Once you've made your choice, simply select it and Vidnoz will sync the voice to your script. To enhance the overall feel of your video, scroll sideways and click on Music. Vidnoz offers a library of background tracks that you can use for your video. Now that everything is in place, click on the Generate and Vidnoz will begin processing your video. This may take a few moments, so be patient as the AI works its magic. Once the video is generated, you'll be able to preview it to check if you are okay with the editing. When you're satisfied with the result, click on Download to save the video to your device. The final step is to add more edit to our video with CapCut. Open CapCut, then click on New Project and import the video we just generated from Vidnoz into the workspace. Next, click on Aspect Ratio and change it based on the platform you want to upload your video to. To keep the video clean and professional, we need to remove the Vidnoz logo. Click on the video clip and simply stretch the frame until the logo is no longer visible. Next, let's brand your video by adding the name of your news channel. Click on text and type in your channel name. You can customize the font, size, and color to match your channel's style. Once done, place it somewhere prominent, such as at the bottom of the screen, where it will be visible without distracting your viewers from the content. Now head over to Google News and download a relevant image or short clip related to the story you're presenting. Then go back to CapCut, import the image or video, and position it strategically within your timeline. This step adds context and credibility, making it clear to your viewers what the news is about. Now take a moment to review the entire video to check if you are satisfied with the editing. Once you're satisfied, click on Export. Then increase the video resolution to 4K for maximum quality and download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at the final result.
Big wins come in many forms, and for Buffalo Bills quarterback Josh Allen, this week has been unforgettable both on and off the field. First, the NFL star scored a personal touchdown as singer and actress Hailee Steinfeld said yes to his marriage proposal. A heartwarming moment that had fans buzzing.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and feel free to drop any questions in the comment section.